को नमस्कार and I welcome on behalf of my country members from New Zealand and UK. I am from the city of Mumbai, which is having the largest impact on pandemic also, and we are the financial capital of the country. So we cater the business capital of the country. This lockdown and pandemic has been paralyzed each and every situation in this city, not only health wise but the financial wise also. We are facing the tough time of the century, we can say. But the today's seminar, I'm very much thankful to the organizer which provided me opportunity to talk on behalf. And the tagline was post COVID. So everybody must be thinking when it will be. The first thing, the time, which is the timeline. But as an FII is there, this good federation is going to cater down the future of this country, and will like to take this opportunity. There is a biggest sector in this country, that is an healthcare sector, and across the world, global situation and scenario got changed because China was one of the leading manufacturer of the 40% of API, which is the largest component required for the drugs manufacturing. And now situation and scenario in world will get changed. So we as an Indian, we can provide lot many better platforms in the terms of India is having the richest human power, biggest human power. We not only human power is executed world's biggest projects in across the world also. But now this opportunity, we can do many wonders in our country also. We are having the ready infrastructure, as FII is aware. The MSME sector is the biggest sector which we are having the ready infrastructure for the manufacturing of this kind of API, or you can say a bulk drug manufacturing, and we should look forward for the international collaboration from UK, US, Europe, because the healthcare spending from this country is going to increase in coming future, and we hope to harp on that. India can be a destination look forward by this all investors, and we as a government representative. So we are having the able leadership, proactive leadership in leader just form of our Honorable Prime Minister Narendra Modi ji is leading the country from up front. And they already made an announcement in Atmanirbhar Bharat. But we look forward with the collaboration of this all countries across the world to invest in India in this sector, which is the most probably in coming years, India can provide solution for better healthcare infrastructure facility, because we got past Ayurveda and everything. Right now also we are helping the world to get over this pandemic, but real situation will come after this post-COVID area. The area which we should look forward with the help of FI, or FI should actively take participate in that area is a bulk drug manufacturing, and we should look forward to do many of the products can be produced, all it well already produced in India, but anti-dumping duty or a lot of things. Even my colleagues from the parliament, Mr. Mahesh Poddar is there, Meenakshi Lekhi ji is there. We can take care and we can put up to the government that this should be taken care of now. We should come ahead of the other countries, and we can provide the best alternative in this sector. Thank you very much.